Look what came in today. This has been a long time in the making and waiting for this new Thors Lighting Jeep licensed compressor. Let's check it out. Nice packaging. Yeah, looks really good. All right. Oh, this is nice. Case comes in. That is very good quality. That's pretty durable. Alright, it comes with a one tire hose system. Your Anderson plug, that's nice. Nice big display. Alright, let's check it out. This is to zero out that pressure at higher altitudes. There we go. Zeroed out. Let's check this out. I set my target pressure to 30 psi. Whoop. That says 11 psi. Yeah. All right, I've got my hose system set up. Check this out. Let's see how it works. Almost 6 minutes from 11 psi to 30 psi. That's pretty fast.